So good evening to all. So dear students, today we are going to see the encryption and security standards on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, how the wallets are going to be authenticated. So here user create account called wallet because it is a digital transaction world. So we are going to use digital currencies. In that, each and every user creates a bank account. Nowadays, internet banking facility, mobile banking facility, everything should be included in their bank system progress. So here each and every user can get user ID and password, unique password. Then the password can be changed by user's identity. So this method we can progressing and protecting our account details. That account details name is called as wallet. So wallets are secured using passwords and contain the private keys used for transferring bitcoins. So let us, you see this diagram in the PPT, you can easily viewable. See, a wallet is going to be placed, then the wallet is surrounded with a chain, then chain is going to be with the help of lock, the both chains are going to be locked, because this diagram represents the authentication and security, how bitcoins progress and digital currencies will be safe and secure in digital transactions. So spending bitcoins, see, so here in the spending bitcoin, you see this block. So here the seller provides an address to the buyer, first block. What it will happen, seller provides the address to the buyer. The next block, buyer enters the seller's address and the amount of the payment to a transaction message. So in between these two blocks operation, first seller provides the address to the buyer, then buyer is going to be have a chat message box. In the chat message box, they are going to make a mutual deal agreement to fix the price value of the digital currency. Then if the both will be mutually agreed and satisfied, they will share their payment transaction details and address. So automatically what it will happen, they are going to the next step progress, it is called processing. So if it is processing, their entire bank account details required. How? The very simple. If you want to make a NEFT transaction or third party transaction, what it will happen? Very simple. User to third party transfer or NEFT transfer within the bank transfer, the various options and methodologies we having with us. So in that which resource we require, that resource we can easily access and progress it. So this is the method. From this first block and second block mutually progress, then share their vendor details. After sharing their details, first they are going to add it into the particular user's bank account details, then with the name of the bank, then vendor details, and all things are furnished and again ensured by the user and vendor. After that, let me move to the third block. Buyer signs the transaction with a private key and announce the public key for verification. So after making the address verification, the entire account details furnished in the user and vendor's bank account, it will be furnished after ensuring both user and vendor. Then they use a private and public address key to verify the transaction. That is very simple. If we are going to initiate the transaction, what it will happen? We give the pay request to the particular user. Vendor give the pay request, then vendor will check the pay request is received and they acknowledge through their message or phone call, whatever it may be. After receiving the acknowledgement, next step, buyer broadcasts the transaction to all the Bitcoin network. Buyer will be interconnected to digital currency, whether it is any Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, whatever it may be. Then what is the amount the user have, that particular amount, the feasible transactions was done by the user. After making the successful transaction, automatically how many coins they purchased, how many what is the amount they bared, the entire thing will be noted down in the ledger. Then the particular purchased coin detail, everything will be come to the user's bank account. That digital currency will be stored in the name of user's bank account. So this is the methodology digital currency will progress and perform. Hope you guys understand the Bitcoin transaction, how the spending coins will be transferred. So what are the methodologies it is given in the 4 blocks. Each and every block I can explain very clear. In this case, if you have any doubt, you may ask the queries, and if you have any grievances also, you may can ask it to me. So is it clear to each and everyone? Is it okay? Yeah, okay, dear students. Next session we can see the new topic. Until that, thank you to all.